Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, what have we got for you here? Well, what we've got for you here is a pen and a pencil that you would have seen in one of my recent videos here. There you go. Now there's the pen. You can see, bit tired. You can see the hood there has got some discolouring, some staining. And then later on, there we go, we found the pencil with it. So we've got a pen and pencil. And what I did, I found a box, I found this case here, and I decided to pop them inside like so. So let's take them out. Okay, let's pop the case to one side, and here we have them. What we've got for you here is a fountain pen and pencil, and these, well, it's the Watermans Taperite De Luxe fountain pen, made in England. And made in England, I'm saying, I don't know, maybe around about sort of the 1940s, the 1950s. Now, let's just take a very brief look at the pencil. Quite a standard pencil. You've got the cone to the end there. Around the cap there, we've got Watermans, and it also says rolled gold. We've got to the wrong way round. There we go. It says Watermans, made in England, and in lovely condition. Both pen and pencil have been service clean. We've put a new sack in the pen. Okay, there's the pen for you. Now, the size of the pen capped is 136 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a nice 12 millimeters in diameter. It's a lever fill. You can see it's got a Watermans, what we term as a box lever. And then once again, if we show you here, we've got Watermans, and then it says Taperite De Luxe, made in England. And as you can see, it's a lot cleaner than it was before. Now also, on the cap, we've got Watermans. And again, we've got a rolled gold. So in lovely condition once again. We've got the Waterman clip there, the very sort of recognisable, little bit Art Deco-y clip. As you can see, it's got the Waterman's name running down the clip, and it's got this little sort of rounded stud to the very top of the cap there. Now these pens, I believe, well, these are actually, the Taperite is a range of pens that Watermans made, and they made them in different models. There's different variations in the caps. I believe also the colours, they came in black, I believe a red, grey, even a green, and also a tan colour. And you can see this one is the blue version. So although it's a Taperite, as I said, there was numerous different models. Just off the top of my head, I don't know, the only one I can sort of remember is a Taperite. Is it the Citation? Okay, so they came in different variants with different caps. I think the pens themselves were pretty well the same, just slight variants, as I said, in the caps. But you can see this one, as we said, it's a rolled gold. It's got these lovely stripes running along the cap, as you can see there. Okay, now if we take the cap off for you, show you the section. First of all, you can see it's got a little clutch ring just below the hood there. And as you saw earlier in the before video, you would have noticed it was sort of quite dirty, discoloured on the hood there. And I've managed to sort of polish that out, clean it all up. As I said, it's been fully disassembled. We removed the feed, the nib as well. Everything internally has been cleaned. So you can see it's got this, what we term as a semi-hooded nib. Okay. There's the feed underneath there. It's got quite a thin feed. The nib itself is actually quite a thin nib. And the imprint on this particular nib runs down the length of the nib itself. And the imprint on this one reads Watermans 14 karat gold. And then it's got the letter WT, which I'm assuming the WT relates to a Watermans Taperite fountain pen. Now the thing on these particular pens, the hood themselves have got a slight sort of, if you like, a triangular shape, which allows you to hold the pen, and it actually makes it quite a nice, comfortable pen to hold and to write with. Okay, I don't know how, if it's possible to show you, but as I say, it's got this slight triangular shaped hood. Okay, as I said, nice and comfortable, for your fingers to grip the pen itself. Very nice indeed. Now, I'm not going to do a writing sample for you people. This particular set was reserved, subject to restoration, and it will be travelling overseas today. So, as I say, everything's been cleaned. There's a new sack in it. So, I'm going to leave the pleasure of filling the pen to the new owner. But all in all, as you can see, in lovely condition now. Okay, let's pop the cap, which is a slip cap. The only slight downfall with these pens is that the cap on this clutch tend to wear, and well, it sits on quite nicely, but they do tend to sort of wear slightly, and presumably it's not as tight as when it maybe came out of the factory. But there we have it. A lovely set, as I said, in blue, rolled gold cap. We've got a fountain pen. We've got the pencil. And as we said, these are from the Taperite family from Watermans, 1940s, 1950s. Incidentally, these pens, or the Taperite, were, if you like, Waterman's answer to the Parker 51. The Parker 51 came out, became very popular, and you can see with the semi-hooded nib on this one, it was their answer to the Parker 51. And in my opinion, they're quite handsome and quality made fountain pens and pencils. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this set as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Just below there, please give the video a thumbs up if you will. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this lovely set. I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.